Okay, guys, we're gonna see which fan is faster. Either the Happy Bay Farmington or the Harbor Breeze White Star. So we're gonna check it out. How many RPMs both of them spin? There you go. Let's see which one goes faster. Both of these fans wobble.
Hey, not there.
See my wall clock over there on the right. Anyways, that's it. Comment down below if which one you think is the winner.